In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Scrabble Go game on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to do this, it is quite simple. All you need to do is to go to Google Play Store. Now from Play Store, go ahead and search Scrabble Go. And then just search using the search icon here to the game, and here is the game. So if you want to know it is the right game, go ahead and look for the name. You can see it is from Scrabble. And at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.3 with over 493,000 reviews. And the file size of this game is approximately 135 MBs. At the time you are watching this, these statistics are different. Go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Scrabble Go game app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the game has been installed, you can now proceed and start playing from here. Or if you go now to your apps, you should be able to see Scrabble Go game on your phone. Go ahead and tap on it to open and start playing. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.